Hello traders, welcome to Merchant Tradings. In today's world, trading is only the business which provides the limitless opportunity to an individual to earn money. I am Samarth Kolle, computer engineer and binary option trader. I started my trading journey in 2017 in binary options. With that, I started with forex trading as an investment. I have trained more than 14,000 students worldwide. In binary option trading, what is most important? It's chart. Chart analysis, that is selection of chart, decides whether today we are going to be in profits or in loss at the end. Secondary comes the trading psychology and the strategy. After asking lot many of new novice students that how do they select the chart, so most of them have answered to me that they do the analysis based on the candlestick, whether it's respecting the support or resistance or not, or else they are going to look for the high volume candlestick, or they are going to look for the dodgy candlestick, and they are going to decide that whether the market is good or not. But let me clear you all that when the analysis based on the candlestick or based on by checking the support on resistance, you are not going to get the proper chart for execution of your trade or for becoming the high profitable trader, because it's a wrong concept for selecting the chart for trading in binary options. You need to do the analysis of three important things what I am always preferring to look into the market, and these three things are going to help you a lot each and every time to become a profitable trader by selecting the right chart. First of all, you have to look for the momentum. The second, you have to look for the volatility, and third, you have to look for the trend. Now all these three things you can use the indicators for it. Like for momentum, RSI indicator. For volatility, you can use the Bollinger Band. For trend, you can use the moving average. But traders, remember this point at the initial phase only. Whenever you are coming into this trading, where you have to decide whether what kind of trader you have to be. Do you want to be the price action trader, or do you want to be the indicator based trader? Now here I don't mean to say that you have to only be the trader based on price action and you are not going to use any kind of indicators. Here I mean to say is that whenever you are going to execute any kind of trade, you should have the clear idea and you should have the clear mindset that I am going to execute my trade based on the price action and not based on indicator, and same vice versa. So let me tell you that I am purely a price action trader in binary options. I don't use any kind of indicators for execution of my trade. My execution of trade is based on price action purely. Now, how are we going to understand that whether the particular chart is having the momentum, volatility and trend with a glance? And how are we going to select the chart for our trades? So for that, I have created the chart pattern which is called as the smooth formation, and these chart patterns provide us all 360-degree analysis of chart. Smooth formation provides the information regarding all the three ingredients like volatility, trend and momentum. And once we get all these three ingredients in our chart, then our analysis of each candlestick becomes easy. So basically what we do is that we first of all finding the chart which provides us the profits with high winning ratio with the help of smooth formation. Course is provided with step-by-step rule sets to make your trading bounded with conditions to control your emotions. So smooth formation is going to help you a lot for that. And once we get the smooth formation, we are going to wait for the key candlestick. And the key candlestick is very important candlestick which provides us the information that now the smooth formation has got ended. Once we get this information that smooth formation has got ended, we are going to get each and every candlestick after that predictable, that we can execute the trade based on each candlestick at any time frame. In the course, we have provided the technique to trade at each candlestick. The information provided in this particular course reveals all the secret about the instructor strategy. In this strategy, you are going to learn the two important methods. One, solitary method, which consists of 3 techniques, and another is the duplicate method, which consists of 3 techniques more. These techniques consist the information about trading with candlestick, that is trading on the basis of price action. You are going to get the analysis for the next candlestick by analyzing the gaps, the highs and lows of the wicks, and then the formation of the bullish and bearish sentiments and much more. So this technique comprises of many of techniques, and this is going to provide you the information about the next candlestick with high probability. Let's see a small example here. If you are going to have a bullish candlestick and the first candlestick closing price and the next second candlestick opening price is having the gap in between, it provides the information that there is a strong entry of buyers. Here what is happening? Here we are having the 2 Marubozu candlestick, and in between the first Marubozu closing and the second Marubozu opening, we are having the gap formation. There are no wicks at the Marubozu candlestick. So here we are having the gap in between the high of the first candlestick and the low of the second candlestick, and this gap is going to provide us the information that there is a strong entry of buyers. But it doesn't mean that in the future the market is going to go up. That is, it doesn't mean that we are going to have the next candle also in the bullish favor, but it provides the information that soon market is going to get reverse back and it is going to fill that particular gap. So here we might get trapped by seeing 2 bullish Marubozu candlestick with a gap, and we might go for the call trade, but it gets reversed and we make the loss. So we have provided such kinds of tips and tricks with the techniques to have the proper logical analysis in binary option, which is going to help you for doing the analysis of the next candlestick in depth. So this course is having the advanced level analysis in binary options. Now I have seen most of the new novice traders are eager to learn the risk and the money management plan. They are also eager to learn the strategy, but after getting to the strategy losses, they are getting shifted to the risk and the money management plan. And here they are getting comprised with the Excel sheet. They are learning the Excel sheet and they are going through the Excel sheet and trying to manage the risk and money with the Excel sheet. But traders, do you think the expert traders are keeping the Excel sheet besides them, and whenever they are executing the trade, they first of all looking in the Excel sheet that should we execute the trade with $100 or with the $200, and planning that if we are going to make the loss, then we have to execute the trade with $300 or with the $200. Here the most important point is that, are the expert traders using the Excel sheet while trading in binary options? Absolutely not. They are not keeping Excel sheet besides them and analyzing with how much money I should execute the next trade. So how are they managing their risk? We are actually managing our risk and money based on the candlestick strength. We don't focus on the Excel sheet while trading. Our whole focus is derived on the chart for analyzing the next candlestick. Let's take a small example for this as well and see how are we analyzing and how you are going to learn in this particular course to manage your risk. So basically we divide our risk and money in 3 sections. First, high probability, second, low probability, and third, moderate probability. Based on the candlestick, we decide whether the candlestick on which we are going to execute the trade is high probability, and if it's high probability, then we are going to execute the trade with $200. If it's moderate probability, then we are going to execute the trade with $100. And if it's low probability trade, then we are going to execute with $50, or else we are not going to execute the trade. So like this we are going to divide the execution of trades, and based on that we are going to manage our money and risk to become the profitable and the consistent trader. So in this course we have provided the 3 stages of money management plan. In the first stage you are going to learn the 20 days plan, in which you are going to trade with $20 and daily you are going to execute only 3 trades with a special technique of merchant trading for execution. In the next stage, that is in the second stage, you are going to have the 40 days plan. In the third stage, you are going to learn to manage the trades with the candlestick strength. Those who are new to this trading world, let me tell them all. Binary option trading is not so much hard and it's not so much easy. So here, if you want to be the profitable and a consistent trader, then you just need the right strategy and right trading psychology. With that, you need the right trading instructor. The course also provides the depth information about how to control your emotions and trade in circumstances of rules. Most of them, that is, most of the expert traders will tell you that you have to trade without emotions. But traders, is it really possible? We are humans and emotion is the first thing which we do when we are born. That is, we release out our emotions by crying when we are born and it gets developed in our body as we grow on. So is it really possible to suddenly by listening to someone that trading is the world where you have to trade without emotions and you are going to dump your emotions and start trading and become a profitable trader? Is it so easy? Absolutely not. So for that, in this particular course we have provided a technique and a method to control your emotions and by controlling the dopamine in your brain to boost your trading capability. This method help you mostly when you go through the phase of loss and you start executing the trades with emotions to cover up your loss. I have seen traders messaging me that today I have taken 60 trades with your strategy from Udemy. So let me clear you all that in this course we have provided the information from roots to top. When to sit for trading, in which session you have to trade, all the content is provided. According to the method which we have provided in this course, you have to trade daily only for 1 hour and execute only 4 to 5 trades, not more than that. Sitting for more than 1 hour affects our trading psychology, as well as sitting and executing more than 10-20 trade is also going to affect our psychology. Now let's see how. So let's say you are sitting in the market for 4 hours, 3 hours, and now what is going to happen? You are going to analyze the candlestick by candlestick, and then at some point you will not understand that where exactly you should get stopped. That is, you are trading at each and every candlestick and you are in the loss and you will not have the right idea that when exactly you have to stop, and you will continuously trade until and unless you will be profitable for that particular day. But my dear traders, some of the days are negative and some of the days are positive. This kind of mindset you have to keep at the initial stage. But what your mind is triggering at that point is that you have to be the profitable for this particular day in any cost at any situation. So you are going to continuously execute the trade which will cause you the huge loss at the end and which may affect your capital at the end. Most of the time, due to the problem of sitting for trading for more than 1 hour can cause the whole account to blast off. That is, your whole capital is going to blow away. So in trading, understand this point that saving your capital and becoming a consistent trader is going to make you the profitable at the end. It doesn't mean that you are going to only make profits each and every day. There are some days where you are going to make the losses and you have to accept the particular day. In this particular course, we have provided each and every step where you are going to have the proper mindset and the proper conditions with proper rule sets to manage your trade properly. This, all the sets are going to help you to become a consistent and the profitable trader within few days. Now I get most of the messages like, what is the main difference between Udemy course and the course which we are providing on our website merchanttradings.com called as Binary Option Secret Revealed. So the course which we have provided on the Udemy are in 3 stages and all the 3 stages are basic stages. So if you are going to consider the 3 courses on the Udemy, then these are the courses for the traders who are new to the market and having no idea regarding how to trade in binary option and how to exactly execute the trade based on the price action. New traders go through the binary option lectures through YouTube and from here and there, and they see that the traders are making the profits by using RSI, Bollinger Band and moving average and much more indicators. They are also learning the martingale and compounding strategies, which are very harmful strategies according to me, and mostly these strategies are getting attached to those people who are very new and they wanted to become the millionaires and billionaires within 2 to 3 days. So this particular strategy is not going to help you at all, like martingale and compounding strategies at the initial stage. These strategies can help you when you are going to get proper experience with the conditions and with the proper rule sets to trade in binary options. All the new traders are getting influenced by this trading strategy. Means here, the experienced traders on the YouTube are teaching the RSI, Bollinger Band, moving average strategy. But they are not only using the RSI, Bollinger Band and moving average. They are also having the idea regarding the price action. They are making the profit. That profit they have not suddenly made by learning from the another lecture from the YouTube. They have gone into the depth of that particular indicator, they have learned the price action, they have done the back testing, and then later on they have selected these indicators for trading in binary option, and then later on they have explained to this particular strategy to you on the YouTube. But what you do exactly is that you immediately pick up that particular strategy and you execute your trade with that particular strategy into your real account. So the main point here is that on the YouTube you are only learning that whenever the RSI is going to go in the overbought region, we have to go for the put, and whenever it's going to go in the oversold region, we have to go for the call. Same like for that Bollinger Band, whenever upper band is going to get touched, we have to go for the put, and whenever lower band is going to get touched, we have to go for the call. So these are all the strategies you are going to learn on the YouTube at the initial phase. But do you think these strategies are going to help you for the long term and going to make you profitable trader? Absolutely not. The reason behind that is you are not having the proper idea of that particular indicator, the idea that how this indicator is working, and not having the concern about your money. Now why I have used this word, that concern about your money? Because as I had told you previously that you are just learning this particular strategy by someone and immediately you are executing that particular strategy into the live market and trading with the live money. You are not doing the back testing that whether this particular strategy is working in the market or not. What will the new novice trader is going to do is that he is just going to wait for the RSI indicator to go in the overbought region and again come inside, and once it comes inside he is going to go further for the put side and he is going to try this strategy lot many of times for that particular day, but most of the time he is going to make the loss. The reason behind making the loss is that market is not based on RSI indicator. The RSI indicator is based on the market. That is, RSI indicator is a lagging indicator which works on the movement of the price. So what is important in trading? Price is important in trading rather than any indicator. But the new novice traders are getting influenced by these indicators, which make them to keep the whole focus on the indicator and wait for the signal of the indicator. Like that, if they learn any moving average strategy, they will only focus on crossover of moving average. They will not see how the candle is formed and what is candle trying to tell to us. In this trading world, according to me, you have to only focus on what is father of trading, that is price action, that is movement of price. Candlestick speaks loudly, chart speaks loudly and tells the signals more accurately, but you are getting distracted from the source and from the main ingredients of trading. In this course, you will purely learn to focus on price movement and have the accurate entry based on the price action. The main point here is that Udemy course is for them who are new and having the no idea about the trading, and this binary option secret revealed course are for those who wanted to learn binary option in depth and wanted to become a trader of price action with consistent profit. It doesn't mean that we started this course directly from advanced part. In this course we set you a broker settings and the mindset at the start. We start from basic to advanced to have the clear idea and for not having any obstacle further. At this point, you might got the depth information that what works into the market and how this course is going to help you. Now this course is pre-recorded course, but here in this course we provide the private room where you will be discussing your doubts with the instructor as well as the merchant tradings community. The reason for doing this is that at start we are taking the live classes from start to end. Some important points were getting skipped. So we decided to provide a structural pattern of course step by step with depth information, and whenever any student is going to get any sort of doubt, we are going to solve it by taking live classes. We have provided a forum and a WhatsApp contact to discuss and solve your queries there and there itself. Now I have got lot many of messages from Udemy that please start binary option signals. Now here the point is that signals are not going to make you the profitable trader. In my whole life of trading journey, I have never ever seen any trader who has become profitable by taking signals from XYZ person through Telegram or through WhatsApp. I was also providing the free live trading signals, but by taking Zoom or Google Meet classes. See, whenever you pay for trading signals, first of all, whether you are investing in right person or not, check this, because indirectly he is going to handle your funds and you are blindly going to trust him by taking his signals. See, last one sentence. If you had to be the profitable trader, ignore taking all these signals and only focus on learning. A small tip, see in future also if you had to buy anyone's course or signals, first check the trading psychology of that particular instructor. You have to judge and understand the trader by his psychology, not by listening his strategical advertisement. Trading psychology is the power of the successful trader. It's not about only few successful traders. It's about all the traders who are trading into this trading world. Any trader who is successful, he can tell you your problems by solving it with trading psychology. But unsuccessful traders or the course sellers will say you that strategy is not working and your strategy is bad and my strategy is good, or else he will say that my indicator is going to make you the profitable trader. According to me, all the strategies work. It's just the matter of understanding the psychology for that particular strategy. I will never say to you that buy my course. Those who wanted to learn in depth in regarding the binary option trading, they learned and now making the consistent profit. These are some of the messages from the students. So this is the person called as Sachin Pujari, and he has sended me his screenshots. So he is trading in crypto IDX. So morning trades 5-1, 1 loss. Then later on he has sent it to me. Morning trades 8-1, 1 loss, $60 to $771. Then later on at the above side also he has sent it to me. Today's trades turn balance into $236. So I had told him to do the money management plan of 20 days with $20. Then in the second stage it was having the plan of 40 days. So like that he was sending me each and every day the photos. See here. Here 11 trades, 8 win, 3 loss. So he has also joined our course. So like that we are having lot many of messages. I will show you on the forum. So see here, this is BD Solos. So here we are there in the VIP group. I will show you the categories. Here we are there in the VIP group. Once you connect with this course, here you can have the communication with all the traders who are there in the merchant trading's binary option secret reveal. So here you might get the reviews. Pro Traders Club, and then later on here you can see the screenshot sent by the students. So these were his trades. Then later on by DJ Asim. So now these were the trades in the practice account, but later on he has shown in the live market also, I think so below. Yes, so here he has started to take in the live market. So yes, these were the trades he has taken into the live market. So here you can get connected with the other traders also if you are going to have any sort of doubts, or if you wanted to contact with any other traders. So now we are there on the page of binary option secret reveal. Now I will provide you the short information regarding this particular course. So the course highlights live and pre-recorded training, starts from scratch to advanced, 6+ hours training period, 30+ lectures and private room meet if you are going to have any kind of small doubts also. Test and quizzes to work as a catalyst in your training. Chapter 1 Basics of Binary, Chapter 2 Market Structure, Chapter 3 Demand Supply, Chapter 4 Magic Levels, Chapter 5 C Candle Strategy, very important strategy. Then Chapter 6 Binary Scanner, you are going to get the binary scanner. Then Fundamental, Momentum, Risk and Money Management, Plan, Trading Psychology and Live Trading, and bonus lecture. Here you can click and you can get enroll now. If you are still having some point that if you are thinking that whether this course is going to help me or not, so for that you can watch these testimonials and you can decide that whether you have to register to this course or not. If you have any more doubts, message us here on Telegram or on WhatsApp. We will provide you with a small session to solve your doubts regarding the course. Thank you.